Barley drink is very refreshing and hydrating. We drink it often during the summertime. It also has a lot of health benefits. Hello everyone, welcome to VR Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Let's see how to make this simple but nutritious barley drink in today's video. Here I have about 1/4 cup of barley. First we need to wash barley thoroughly. Rinse it until water runs clear. I normally wash it 2 or 3 times. Then we are going to soak barley for at least 1 hour. After soaking barley for about 2 hours, we are going to add 4 cups of water into a cooking pan and boil the water. Drain the water from the barley and add it to the boiling water. Now cook barley on medium heat for about 20 or 25 minutes. You can also use a pressure cooker for this, but today I am using a normal cooking pan. Once it is cooked well, turn off the heat and let it cool down for about 10 minutes. We can strain the barley water now. We are going to squeeze half a lemon into the barley drink. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. You can also add chia seeds into lukewarm water and let it soak for about 15 minutes so it becomes a gel-like texture. Then you can use that in the barley drink. But today I am just adding it directly into the barley water. Mix everything well and it is ready to drink. Sometimes we use just a pinch of salt and sugar and nothing else. It is your personal preferences what you want to add. I hope you liked watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye.